Julia, and today we are doing Life as a Slime Scammer. I will be the scammer,
And I will be scammed.
and Julia will be calling me on her phone. And here are the slimes that we are going to be selling to the person, which I will be the scammed. So, first Julia's going to start out with calling me. Okay. And she already has my list. Okay, let's get on to the video. Okay, guys, I'm doing Life as a Slime Scammer, and this one person called me earlier, and they told me for me to call them back. So, it's on speaker. Hello? Hello? What do you want?
I sent you a letter.
Yeah?
Could I please have 5 slimes?
Sure. Do you want
The
any
letter is 7 details.
Okay. Do you want any extras?
Yes. And could I also have a toy extra?
Okay.
Like a squishy.
Okay.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
How do I hang up?
I'm going to do that right now. Goodbye. Oh. They did it. Okay. Okay. I'm selling them as an extra this slime. It's not the best, but I mean, when you're a scammer, it's not supposed to be the best. Okay, I have to hurry up. And I'm also gonna sell them. This one. It's so sticky. No! I want this one getting rid of. Somebody texted me, but I don't feel like answering it. I did read the letter. I read the letter, guys. How does that person even know I'm doing a video right now? Like, seriously? They're so red. Okay, now I'm done with showing them this slime. Mom, what do you want?
Oh, hello, sweetie.
Hello.
I'm just here to check on you. What are you doing?
I'm selling people slimes for money.
Oh, you better give me some of that cash.
Okay, Mama.
Dad jokes.
I'm not saying all dads are like this. I'm just being funny. Mom! Okay. And now we got my limited edition $50 cake pop. I don't know if it should be $5 or $50. Okay, it's so pretty, as you can see. It has a little mini Flumpy that got stuck inside. It has a little mini Flumpy that got stuck. And let's move on to the next slime, I guess. Okay, and there got this, which it's so pretty. But it's not the stretchiest I have to exam because I don't want them. I have to be quiet because I don't want them to hear me say it. Look how nice it is. You don't want to see that. It's so jiggly. Okay, now let's move on to a pink slime. Hello. What do you want?
It's like been a really long time, and I'm waiting for my slime.
It's only been 6 minutes.
No, it hasn't.
Well, I'll give them to you in 5, okay?
In 5 days, really? Bye.
Bye! Okay, they must have enjoyed that. It's so pretty. Okay. Now, I'm giving them... Ow. Okay. Now I'm giving them this ginormous... Well, it's not ginormous. It's actually pretty small. But it's so pretty, as you can see. But look what they did to me. I was playing with the slime, and then they were like, read the letter. Okay, I'll read it one more time. Dear person, I would like 1 cake pop, 1 fluffy slime, 1 floam, 1 mystery, and another floam. Okay, here's the mystery slime. I don't know about you, but these people seem pretty pushy. It's so nice. This is the only nice mystery slime that I've ever given out before. Ever. Out of my whole slime career. 2 days. And 50 people called. It's because I got the best pictures. Okay, let's go. Okay, so guys, now I'm gonna package the slime. I'm not gonna patch it. Excuse me. Sorry, my sister keeps telling me where the person that I'm selling to is gonna be. And it's so annoying. Okay, I have 2 slimes packaged in the same one. Okay, that will do. This isn't actually how I was out of the video for 1 second. This is not how I deliver slimes. Oh, we have a guest. Hello? I'm not done packaging the slime. I'll be done in 2 minutes. Who's the person? Who's the person who I'm selling slime to? Sweetie? Yes? Are you almost done? That little girl keeps calling you. Well, Mommy, I'll be done in a minute. Okay, the little girl keeps saying... Mommy, wait. I need to package my slimes. Mommy, my tablet fell. It's not yours, sweetie. It's the camera. Mommy. Goodbye, sweetie. I will see you at bedtime. 7 o'clock. Okay, this should be good. Mom, why? Never
bedtime, whatever you want, as long as you give me and your dad some cash.
Okay, Mommy. Okay, guys, so I'm just here waiting for my sign, and I think the doorbell's gonna ring soon, so I'm gonna wait at my door and go like this. Okay, so guys, I waited there for like 2 minutes, and the door still hasn't came, so yeah. Oh my gosh, my shrine packages are here. Look, everybody. I got a baby slime. Oh, it's packaged so good. It is packaged so good. Oh, that's my puppy. Mommy and Daddy got it for me for my birthday. Oh, puppy, don't eat it. Puppy, don't eat it. Puppy, don't eat it. Hi, Sissy. Hello. I ordered slime. This was $200. Really? Well, about. She charged me extra because I got an extra slime.